Have you ever wondered how your trading skills would stack up against other traders around the world? Like imagine a place where your strategy, discipline, and consistency are all tested in a live competition. Well, that's exactly what the Tradeiators trading competition is all about. It basically brings traders together in one competitive environment where everyone trades under the same rules and conditions. Welcome back again to the channel. It's me again, Prop Firm Analyzer, and for today's video, we're going to do a quick review of Tradeiators, which is a trading competition platform where you can potentially earn rewards just by trading and competing against other traders. So the goal here is pretty simple. You just need to perform better than the rest, climb your way up the leaderboard, and of course, get rewarded for it. Now let's talk a bit more about Tradeiators because they actually have some upcoming trading competitions on the platform. And yeah, we'll be discussing those more in detail later in the video. One good thing about Tradeiators is that the platform has already gained a 4.6 star rating on Trustpilot, which is actually a really good sign. It shows that many users who have already tried the platform are having a good experience with it. And even though the platform is still continuously being developed and improved, you can already see that a lot of traders are starting to use it and give positive feedback about the overall experience here on the platform. Now, when you explore Tradeiators, you'll notice that they actually have different plans and opportunities for traders, especially for people who enjoy participating in trading competitions. In fact, there are many upcoming trading competitions that you can choose from. Some of these competitions even offer really big prize pools, which is obviously exciting for traders who want to test their skills while also competing for rewards. They also highlight several key features of the platform. For example, they have real money prizes, transparent results, and also fast and easy withdrawals, which is something many traders look for when joining competitions like this. Another nice thing is that the platform is also beginner friendly, so even if you're still learning trading, you can still explore the features here. They also have an exclusive community where traders can interact and share ideas, as well as a training camp where you can continue improving your trading knowledge. And if we scroll down here, you'll also see their global trading competition leaderboard. This leaderboard shows the traders who are currently performing well in the competitions. And you can see how different traders are ranking based on their performance and profits. So yeah, it's actually interesting to see how other traders are doing, and it can also give you motivation to try improving your own strategies. Now, before you can start using the platform, of course, you'll first need to create an account. What you need to do is simply click the login or sign up button, and then you'll be asked to enter your basic details like your email address and password. Once you complete that step, you'll be able to continue and access the platform. And that's where you can start exploring the features, joining trading competitions, and participating in the battles available on Tradeiators for it. So yeah, if you enjoy competitive trading, this is definitely something interesting to check out. But before we continue, please don't forget guys to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment your thoughts about this review. It really helps support the channel. So yeah, I appreciate it. And make sure you watch this video until the end because I will also provide the link in the description below so you can explore the platform yourself and see how you can potentially earn rewards here on Tradeiators. So anyway, as you can see here, I've already made a deposit on the platform. If you want to deposit, all you need to do is simply click the deposit button, complete your profile, enter your details, and then you can deposit using crypto or a credit card, depending on what you prefer. Now, once you're inside the platform, you'll be able to see all the different trading battles that you can join. And yeah, this is basically where the competitions happen. You can see the leaderboards, the wins, the points, and your overall trading performance compared to other traders. So yeah, everything is displayed clearly so you can track how well you're performing during the competition. What we're going to do now is check one of the battle features, because this is where you actually compete with other traders and try to earn rewards by climbing the leaderboard. The interesting part here is that the entry fee is relatively small, sometimes around $40, but the prize pools can actually be much larger depending on the competition. For example, if you're a crypto trader, you can join some of the crypto trading battles available here. And as you can see, there are already quite a lot of traders participating in these competitions. For instance, this battle has a joining fee of $150 and the grand prize is around $2,000. The competition duration is 7 days, and of course you can check all the rules before joining. So yeah, let's try joining one of the battles here. As you can see, this one is going to start in about 8 hours and 36 minutes. The entry fee is $40 and the grand prize pool is $2,000. This means the competition is fair because everyone starts with the same balance and the final prize pool is distributed based on the rankings on the leaderboard. So yeah, the better your performance during the competition, the higher your ranking, and the bigger the reward you can potentially receive. As you can see, there are already quite a lot of traders joining this competition. So yeah, that's quite interesting if you enjoy competitive trading. And if you check the rules here, you'll notice that all traders start with the same equity, which is $10,000 in virtual trading capital. Let's try to join this battle. As you can see, there are already quite a lot of traders joining this competition. So what we're going to do is simply click the join button here. Now the entry fee for this battle is $40 and the duration of the competition is 3 days. Right now we have a balance of $100 in the account, so we just need to pay the entry fee to enter the competition. All right, so once we confirm that, we are now officially inside the battle. And as you can see here, we've already joined the competition. The battle is going to start in about 8 hours. So yeah, we'll come back here later. All right, so now let's go to the arena because this is where the actual trading happens once the battle begins. As you can see, we're now inside the trading chart interface, and from here you can trade different assets and currency pairs. For example, if you want to trade gold, you can simply select it here. You can also change the time frames, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even 4 hours, depending on how you prefer to analyze the market. And not only that, you can also trade different assets, including forex pairs, shares, indices, crypto, and many more. The platform definitely gives traders several options when it comes to trading assets. All right, so what we're gonna do now is start placing a trade. And another cool thing here is that you can actually ask the AI coach for analysis before entering a trade. So yeah, let's try opening a buy trade here. And as you can see, we now have an open position running on the chart. If you want additional insights, you can simply ask the AI coach and it will give you some suggestions or analysis related to your trade. So yeah, that's actually a helpful feature, especially for traders who want an extra opinion before making a decision. All right, let's try opening another trade here. So now we currently have 2 running trades in the market. And of course, we can also manage our trades, the stop loss and take profit levels to control risk and lock in profits. All right, so let's try closing one of the trades now while it's in profit. As you can see, we already have a profitable trade, which is definitely a good start for the competition. Another feature here is that you can also chat with other traders inside the platform and even communicate with the admins if you have questions. So yeah, it's kind of like a small trading community while the competition is happening. For now, we're just going to wait and see if our trades continue moving into profit, because the goal here is to generate the best performance possible and hopefully climb the leaderboard in this battle. You can also check the AI analysis section where it highlights certain market opportunities or high priority assets like XAUUSD pair. So yeah, these insights can sometimes help traders identify possible setups during the competition. If you want to check more details about your battle, you can simply look here where it shows the end date, which tells you exactly when the competition will finish. You can also monitor your equity, available margin, and your profit and loss, so you'll have a clear idea of how your trades are performing during the competition. So right now, we're just waiting for the trades to move, and hopefully we can generate some positive results and climb up the leaderboard. And of course, if you want to enter a trade, you can simply explore the different currency pairs and assets available here. You can also ask the AI coach for suggestions or analysis, which can sometimes help you decide whether a trade setup looks good or not. So yeah, that's basically how you can manage and monitor your trades during the battle while competing with other traders on the platform. Another thing you can do here on the platform is create your own battles. If you want to start your own trading competition, you can simply go to the create battle section. From here, you just need to enter the name of your battle. For example, you can name it something like gold trading battle or anything you prefer. Next, you can set the entry fee. For example, you can start with something like $40 as the entry fee, depending on how big you want the competition to be. You can also write a description for your battle, where you can add some information about what traders should expect in the competition. After that, you need to set the start date of the battle. For example, you can choose to start it later today, or maybe tomorrow, depending on when you want the competition to begin. You can also set the duration of the battle, like 3 days for example, and decide how many participants can join. In this case, we can set it to around 50 participants. There's also an option called late join, which allows traders to still enter the competition even after it has already started, but usually with a late entry fee. Next, you can upload a cover photo for your battle. For example, if the competition is about trading gold, you can upload a gold trading image as the battle cover. You can also choose the category like commodities, forex, or other assets depending on the type of trading you want for your battle. After that, the platform will show you the payment summary. For example, if your entry fee is $50, there might also be a creation fee, which in this case is around $10, so you need to pay that amount to officially create your battle. Alright, and just like that, the battle is now created. As you can see here, my battle is already listed, and it will start in about 10 hours. And once traders start joining, you'll be able to see all the participants who entered your battle. You can also check your profile section, where you can see your total profit, win rate, number of battles, and rewards that you've earned on the platform. Here you'll also see your active battles, upcoming battles, and your battle history, so it's pretty easy to track all of your competitions. Another interesting section here is the community tab, where you can see hot topics and discussions between traders. Traders often share analysis, ideas, and different market discussions, which can actually be useful. And aside from competitions, they also have something called the training camp. So yeah, this is basically where you can improve and expand your trading knowledge and skills. Inside the training camp, you'll find things like market analysis, latest news, and trading practice tools. You can even start practice trading here. And there are also questions and answers that help explain certain trading concepts. So yeah, this section is actually helpful, especially for beginner traders who want to learn more about trading before joining the battles. All right, so let's try opening the beginner section and see what kind of learning materials they have here. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is basically just wait for the trade to move into profit before we close it, okay? Because of course the goal here is to secure good profit before exiting the trade. And as you can see right now, we're actually already in profit, which is a good sign. So yeah, let's just wait a little bit more, because hopefully we can get an even bigger profit in our account before we decide to close this position. Sometimes patience is really important in trading, so we're just monitoring how the market moves. Now, before doing anything else, let's check with the AI coach first and see what kind of suggestion it gives us. So yeah, as you can see here, the AI coach actually says that the trade looks good to go. And according to the analysis, be able to get around 1.5% profit from this position. It also mentions that this is considered a lower risk trade, which is actually nice to see. But of course, even if the AI gives a good signal, it still reminds us that we need to keep monitoring the position carefully because the market can always move unexpectedly. So yeah, it's always good to stay alert. If you want to learn more about the platform and everything about traders, make sure to check their website, because on the website, they already have a lot of information available, including tutorials on how to start trading battles, how to join competitions, and how the platform works. And another helpful thing is that the AI coach will guide you along the way, especially if you're still learning or trying to improve your strategies. It can give suggestions, insights, and ideas that can help you develop your trading skills over time. You can also find different learning scenarios and tasks inside the platform. For example, one important rule they emphasize is protecting your trades, which means every trade must have a stop loss, no exceptions. And yeah, there are also other practice tasks that help traders understand risk management and discipline in trading. This platform can really help you improve your trading skills, especially if you enjoy competitive environments like trading battles. And yeah, guys, that's basically my review of Traders. If you want to try it yourself, I'll be providing the link in the description below so you can check it out. You can join the platform, participate in the trading competitions, and try to make profits by competing with other traders. And who knows, if you perform well, you might even become one of the top traders in the competition and earn rewards from your trading skills. So yeah, I think that's going to be the end of our video for today. Thank you again for tuning in, and I really appreciate your support. And I'll see you guys in the next video.